Video, I'm going to show you how you can text in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this black background template and add a text. So for instance, just change the text for instance, and go to select the clip and right click, so create component clip and add the video you want to add. Just move the text video as an overlay. Sorry. So select the overlay and go to blend. Just select darken. Okay, can resize. So so here we go. Okay, that's how to put video inside text in CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.